Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a laid-off golf swing. Begin by checking your takeaway and swing plane to find where the club gets too steep. Make small changes like rounding your shoulders and feeling an inside path on the downswing. Use drills that promote low to high contact and keep the club head behind your hands through impact. Stay patient and practice with purpose for steady improvement. Start by developing a handful of key feels that guide your motion without overthinking mechanics. Focus on a sensation of lag and an inside approach from the top of the swing. Keep your lead wrist stable and avoid early rotation that throws the club outside. Use compact drills and tempo work to lock these feels into your muscle memory. Practice deliberately and return to the range refreshed, not fatigued. Quick recommendation: if you're spending hours fixing your swing, treat your feet right with darn tough socks that come with a lifetime warranty for long-range sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. Check the description for the link and other deals to save a little cash. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Work through a simple drill progression to rebuild a sound swing pattern. Start with slow motion swings to ingrain the path and positions, then add the towel drill to keep your arms connected. Introduce the head cover drill to reward inside contact and promote a better release. Gradually increase speed while keeping the same feel and positions. Measure progress in consistent ball striking, not immediate distance gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.